Hello there, tech lovers. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the LANMU attachment tool compatible with Dyson V15 V11 V10 V8 V7 V6 Outsize vacuum cleaner. If you're tired of the hassle of cleaning out your vacuum's dustbin, then this tool is definitely for you. With a customized design, this cleaning toolkit is perfectly compatible with a range of Dyson vacuum models, as well as other stick vacuum cleaners. Say goodbye to the frustration of removing and cleaning the dustbin every time you use your vacuum. With the LANMU attachment tool, you simply feed the clean out tool from the front of your vacuum dustbin up to the area you wish to clean. It's incredibly effective at pulling out hair and dust that gets stuck in the bin, saving you time and effort. No need to take apart your bin every time you want to clean it out. The tool is easy to use. Just pull the red button of the vacuum dustbin down to open the cover, then use the cleaning tool to pinch out the hair and dust, making emptying the bin a breeze. The packaging includes one nozzle cleaning tool and one holder stick clip, and LANMU provides a 1-year warranty and friendly after-sale service to ensure a risk-free shopping experience for you. So, if you're tired of the hassle of cleaning out your vacuum's dustbin, click the link in the description to get your LANMU attachment tool today and make your vacuum cleaning experience a whole lot easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and tips.